So I will try my best to minister in song to encourage us today to trust in God for strength as we travel this very difficult road. For He's our strength, our hope, and comfort. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, that reaches me. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, that reaches me. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, that reaches me. You are my strength, strength like no other, strength like no other, that reaches me. In the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up. Oh yes, oh Lord, you lift me up. Oh, in the fullness of your grace, in the power of your name, you lift me up. Oh, you lift me up. You are my hope, hope like no other, hope like no other, that reaches me. You are my hope, hope like no other, hope